Tweezer tops. Now tweezer top pattern consists of two or more candlesticks. So if you see two or more candlesticks, then that's not a problem. But these candlesticks have the same matching tops. So if you see matching tops, that's when you will know that this is a tweezer tops pattern. The candlestick may not be of the same sizes. It could be different, opening higher, closing lower, like opening lower, closing higher. That doesn't matter. If it is a green candle or a red candle, that doesn't matter. What matters is matching tops. However, the candle color can vary, just as I said. It could be red, green, that doesn't matter. What matters is this pattern is believed to be a minor reversal signal. Once you see this pattern, remember a reversal is in the planning, and the next candle after that will confirm it if it is going down or not. If it comes on top, this pattern tweezer top on top, and you see, let's say, an engulfing bullish candle after that, remember the fall is coming. Now I will show you tweezer top on chart so that you can understand how it works. Tweezer tops. Now this pattern means it's a minor reversal pattern. Once you see this pattern, be concerned. But it's not a pattern to bet your money on. It's a pattern to see. It's like something that tells you, okay, there is something going wrong. Now let's find out what will happen next. Something to as you stand on a car signal, on the signal, what do you see? Red, yellow, red, yellow and green, right? So once it is green, your car is going, and as you approach the signal, it goes to yellow. So the yellow is this tweezer top. Now what happens in a tweezer top? Example right here. The high is 1809. The next day high is 1808. Now these two might not look the same as I just discussed on the presentation. They look different, but that's what happens in a tweezer top. They might not look exactly the same, but the tops are usually the same, and the second candle is usually red. Number one. Number two, right here. Right here the top is 1781, but here the top is 1789. Third one, right here, the top is 1778. The top is 1783, but it comes down. So basically what really happens is it makes matching tops. This high is 1415. This is 1409. So now by saying matching tops, I'm trying to say is the top is not exceeded, number one. So here the top was exceeded, so you won't consider this one. Here the top was not exceeded, so this is the correct phase. Here the top was 1783 and this top was 1780. It was not exceeded. Here I picked one here. So my point is the tops should not be exceeding, number one. Example here or here. And it can close lower or it can close open lower and close higher. But it's not crossing that high. That's the real crux of tweezer tops. Now tweezer top is something that appears on the high point, not on the low point. And it's a pattern that is like a yellow sign in the signal. So it's not something to get concerned of, but remember, something will follow it and will make it a red signal. So it's like something to be concerned of, but not to trade on. Thank you.